Hi everyone, let's see how we can make this kind of interactive app where you can just give the paragraph, just click on calculate, and you will get this bag of words, right, in a beautiful format, right? And this is highly interactive. You can just go to settings, you can choose wide mode, or even you can choose the themes also, right? This dark theme, I love it, right? It is looking really good, right? And you can make this wide more in these themes from the code also, right? So let's see how we can make this simple yet very powerful app, right? Let me try with some paragraph here from the Wikipedia. Just copy, paste, and just click on calculate, so it will calculate bag of word for me, right? I just have one sentence here, a very big sentence, so it is, that's why we are having just one sentence here, right? Okay, so let's see like how we can make this kind of a simple yet beautiful plus powerful application using Python. And the library which we are going to talk today is nothing but the Streamlit. Just give you the brief about Streamlit. Streamlit is nothing but very simple but really good library to create data science application, interactive data science application. What they are claiming is you can create a really good application using so many things. Display text, you can display data, charts, media, you can use the control flows, you can display the code also, you can have the placeholder, so you can beautifully arrange your application on a page, and you can even share it on GitHub, right, for free actually. Streamlight will host your application so that you can share it with the recruiters and everyone. So let's jump onto the code, guys. Okay, so this is the code of the application that I just show you, that for bag of words. Just I am not using analytical library here. I have implemented everything from scratch. So let's do not count these lines of words for these functions, right? You can use the analytic and it will give you the direct output for bag of words, right? So let's see like what I have used. I have just inputted this Streamlit, pandas, and regular expressions. It is not needed if you are not implementing it from scratch. Okay, so the first command from Streamlit, st.title nlp demo, and you will get this beautiful title, nlp demo, right? And let me show you the magic actually. So what magic I'm talking about? If I just change here na nlp demo for YouTube, just save it, always rerun, and it will show me that this title will be changed in real time, right? So you can code it and see it in real time in the action NLP demo for YouTube. Demo of working BOW and bag of words in TF-IDF, but I'm not showing TF-IDF, so let me remove it, and boom, it is always run. You can disable the application, disable this automatic running from here, right? Okay. So next, I am just having this paragraph. This paragraph I should be taking from the user, right? So this is nothing but the text input. So it is st.text input, just the name. Name is nothing but this paragraph. What is this? And this is the help text. If they are, and this is the default text, right? So it is that simple. Just write st.text input, and you are done. If you click on this, you will see this help text. Enter your paragraph here, right? Very interactive yet very simple. Okay, list of sentence, we are just declaring this variable to use it afterwards. These three functions are for tokenizing the sentence, cleaning the sentence, and calculating the bag of words. You can do it in just 3 lines using the analytical library or spacey library. Okay, so how can we generate this button? So it is simple one line code. If st.button, and button name is nothing but calculate, so it will give me the boolean value true or false. If I click on it, it will give me the true, right? So this is running actually on my port. If I just show you this terminal, see, it is running here, right? So when this application is running, whenever I click on this calculate, right, let's have this pasta example again and click on calculate, it will give me the boolean value true, right? So if true, this will run, right? Send token. So these 4 lines is for to calculate the bag of words. Then I am just having this title, so it is as simple as st.title, just give the title name, so it will render everything for you. St.table, and just give the array of array, or any data frame or numpy array, whatever you give, it will just create a beautiful table for you, right? It is also interactive. See, you can zoom it out if there is a lot of data, right? You can even search it on the page, and you can highlight also, right? So I have just scratched the surface of Streamlit. Streamlit can do very much good things, like so many things. You can use the maps also, latitude, longitude, and show the exact locations and everything, right? So the sky is the limit, and this application you can directly deploy this on the Streamlit hosting and GitHub, right? It would be free. You will get the URL of your name, GitHub name, right? Which you can mention in the resume, or you can share it with the recruiters. Hope you like the video, guys. Okay.